Welcome to week 33 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. As every week we have 5 prompts plus a bonus prompt to inspire us to make a collage. And as always, I'm using a 4x6-inch postcard size to make a postcards that I sent to my mom in Germany. This week I will again use my sticker book that some of you might remember from previous videos, and the background is addressing the leaves and something out of wood, the blue door here. And then of course I have a piece of graph paper, and something that makes me happy are our furry little friends and their adventures. And as a bonus, the receipt is here, the luggage receipt from my recent trip to Germany to visit my mum. Okay, let's start to make the collage on this index card. I use just an image from a magazine as my background, and some of you might remember that I at one point created a frame in the size of a postcard to have a little bit of a preview of which part of my image I would like to have, so that I know what I need to cut. I definitely would not like to have the writing on the bottom, so I'm using my metal ruler just to tear this bit off. I often like to tear images instead of using a scissors, because I like the rough edges. And here, can you see, like I would like to have the pathway on the bottom left, and I would like to have a little bit of the tree stem, and so I think that's exactly the size that I would like to have, and I can make a little mark on the side so that I know exactly what part to tear off, so that the background is fitting exactly to my postcard. Okay, you can see here it has these rough edges, and I really like it. Okay, so let's see. I think I go and do some fussy cutting, and here they are again, our little friends, like the teddy and Quill the hedgehog. And this week they meet new friends, a deer, an owl and a little bird. And if you are staying to the end, you will hear the fairy tale that brings them all together. Okay, but for now I need to do something with the graph paper and something with the receipt. Let's see what I will do. Let's see where I would like to place them. I think I have an idea. I think I would like the deer to come out behind the door, like that it is, like that the bottom is a little bit hidden behind the door. And for that I need to make a cut in the door so that I can slide the deer behind it. Yeah, I think that's a nice idea. I think I would like to do that. But where do I want to have it? I think I really would like the deer to stand on the path. So yeah. But I think I would like to, it looks like a little bush down there, and I think I would like to go around the bush so that it really looks like the deer is behind it. It looks more organic, like this. Let's see how it works. Okay, if I push it in there. Okay. Yeah, I think that's cute. And I think I will do the same with Teddy and Quill. And while I'm doing this, and while I'm finishing my postcard, I think it's time that I will tell you also our fairy tale. that you can, again, like always, if you like, grab a tea or a coffee, lean back and enjoy listening. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled at the edge of a vast and enchanting forest, lived Teddy, a soft toy bear with a heart as warm as his plush exterior, and Quill, a charming plush hedgehog with a curious spirit. They were the best of friends, known for embarking on magical adventures that filled their days with wonder and excitement. One sunny morning, while exploring the outskirts of the nearby forest, they came across a peculiar sight. A blue wooden door, standing tall amidst a thicket of vibrant greenery and shimmering leaves. The door seemed to hum with a gentle magic. "Do you think we should open it?" Quill asked, his tiny quills bristling with excitement. Teddy nodded, his button eyes sparkling with curiosity. "Let's see where it leads." As they pushed the door open, a soft breeze wafted through, carrying the scent of wildflowers and adventure. Beyond the door lay a hidden glade, bathed in sunlight and filled with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. Suddenly, an owl swooped down from a nearby branch, its wise eyes glinting with knowledge. "Beware, brave adventurers! Beyond the glades lies the realm of dreams, where wishes come true, but only for those who are pure of heart." Teddy and Quill exchanged determined glances. They had faced many challenges before, and they were ready for whatever awaited them. With the owl's warning echoing in their minds, they stepped into the realm of dreams. As they ventured deeper, they encountered a majestic deer with a coat that shimmered like silver. Adorned with a feather head decoration, the deer spoke in a melodic voice. "Welcome, Teddy and Quill. I'm Eldara, guardian of this realm. To proceed, you must solve the riddle of the enchanted stream." Eldara pointed to a sparkling stream that wound through the glade. "To cross, you must answer this. What runs but never walks, has a mouth but never talks." Quill scratched his head thoughtfully while Teddy pondered aloud. "Could it be water?" Eldara smiled, her eyes twinkling. "Correct! You may cross." As they stepped into the shimmering stones that formed a bridge, the stream bubbled with joy, allowing them safe passage. On the other side, they found themselves in a vibrant meadow filled with flowers of every color imaginable. Suddenly, a small bird flew down, clutching an envelope made of graph paper in its beak. It landed before them and dropped the envelope at their feet, revealing the bold red words, "Keep it." Curious, Teddy opened the envelope to find a beautifully drawn map. However, the map was filled with strange symbols and paths that made no sense to them. Eldara approached and said, "To unlock the secret of this map, you must solve another riddle. Here it is. I am a home for many, but I'm not a house. I can be colorful and sweet, but I'm not a candy. What am I?" Teddy and Quill exchanged puzzled looks. What could it be? Suddenly Quill smiled and exclaimed, "It's a flower!" Eldara nodded, her eyes sparkling with approval. "Correct! The map is now yours to read." As she spoke, the map began to shimmer and glow, revealing hidden paths and symbols that guided them to a distant mountain where a shimmering treasure awaited. With the map now clear, Teddy and Quill eagerly followed its guidance. They journeyed through enchanted meadows and mystical woods, encountering friendly creatures who offered them help on their way. But as they reached the base of the majestic mountain, the air was thick with magic and the path was steep and rocky. When they looked up, tired and exhausted from their journey, they found the wise owl again, sitting on a nearby branch. While they took a small rest, the owl shared stories of bravery and friendship, filling their hearts with courage. At the top, they discovered a dazzling crystal cove filled with sparkling gems and glowing lights. In the center stood a magnificent wish-granting tree, its branches heavy with shimmering fruits. Before you may take a wish, you must solve one more riddle, Eldara's gentle voice echoed. Listen closely. What costs nothing but is worth everything, weighs nothing but can last a lifetime, that one person can't own but two or more can share? What am I? Teddy and Quill looked at each other, pondering the riddle. Quill furrowed his brow. What could it be? Something one person can't own, but two or more can share? After a moment of silence, both their eyes lit up. It's friendship. Eldara smiled widely. Well done. You have proven your wisdom and bravery. Now you may choose a fruit from this wish-granting tree. Teddy and Quill approached the tree, their hearts full of love for their friends and the creatures they had met along the way. I wish for all our friends to find happiness and adventure, Teddy declared. Quill nodded in agreement, and I wish for everyone to always have a friend by their side. As they spoke their wishes, the tree glowed brighter, and two fruits floated down to them, sparkling with magic. Eldara gifted them each a pair of feathered head decoration, just like hers. These will help you connect with the magic of the forest and remind you that everything is connected and you are not alone. With their wishes granted and their new gifts, Teddy and Quill made their way back down the mountain, the map guiding them safely. As they reached the blue wooden door, they turned to see Eldara and the owl watching them. Your hearts are pure and your friendship is strong, the owl hooted. You have proven yourselves worthy of the magic of the realm. With a wave of their paws, Teddy and Quill stepped back through the door, returning to their village, their hearts full of joy and their spirits high. They had gained not only new friends and magical treasures, but also the knowledge that true adventures lies in the bonds of friendship and the kindness and connection we share with each other. To finish this postcard, I would like to stitch around the edges. And here we are, the finished collage with the leaf stitched around it. You can see it a little bit better on the back side. And to come to an end to this video, I would like to go over the prompts one more time. The leaves around here and in the forest, the wooden door, the graph paper and the receipt in the letter, our furry friends and the adventure. Yes, I think that is us for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and yes, I hope to see you soon and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye for now.